I, Ondo Cabornay, the Supreme Grand Master of Lapunti Arnis de Abanico. I would like to make a clarification about Dax Dakayana. He promoted himself in his internet page as the 11th Dan Grand Master Lapunti Arnis de Abanico. The diploma that he showed in the internet page is not true. This is his falsification. Dax Dakayana is only a simple member of Lapunti Arnis de Abanico. He claimed to be a master of Saint Michael Eskrima style and not Lapunti Arnis de Abanico. I strongly recommend that the diploma must be taken off from the internet page and Duhu. The only authorized Grand Master 11 Dan, successor of Supreme Grand Master Ondo Cabornay, is Grand Master Raul Janucci, based in Luxembourg. Raul Janucci is the founder and the president of the International Lapunti Arnis de Abanico, ELADAP. Daghang salamat.